everybody. So, the plan for today is I'm going to be doing the wiring on the front of the bike, and depending upon the pace of that and how things turn out, I might be able to get the mufflers installed. I still have to put on the drivetrain, a couple other things before I can get around to actually firing this bike up. But before I do any of that, I gotta finish the wiring. So that's the focus for today. Enjoy the show. Okay, so got quite a bit done today. I was actually unable to completely finish the wiring because the handlebar control module on the left handlebar, the one for the blinkers and the headlight and the horn, there are certain elements within it that are non-functioning, so it has to be replaced, and so I have to order that part, so that's going to add a little bit more time to things, but other than that, I got all the rest of the wiring completed, with the exception of, hooking up the horn, the headlight, and the blinkers. And hopefully it will arrive quickly, but you never know. So that's where we're at. That's my video for today. I hope you like it. See ya. Today's episode is brought to you by those innovative felines at Black Cat Productions. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button.